It's time to register for the Greg Landry Big Red Classic, coming September 13th to Sycamore Point. This event honors Greg Landry, who was tragically killed at the hands of a drunk driver on the way home from something he truly loved, fishing. This is Hampton's opportunity to give back, benefiting Faith House, Crisis Center for Abused Women and Children. Fishing, live music, and a great cause, Saturday, September 13th at the Greg Landry Big Red Classic. Register today and make fishing your mission.